So, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss about an important indicator, that is KCP XAUUSD intraday indicator. So I will explain the concept, then we will go into the real data and the proof. So this indicator shows a clear gold direction. We are in the live market. The time is around 8:58 p.m. and the day is around 27/3/2026. If you trade gold and XAUUSD, that is Forex, and still feel confused about the trend, you are missing this indicator, and this indicator is freely available in TradingView. You just use for free and trade and see the results. Most traders lose because they enter late, they get trapped in fake breakout, and they don't know the real trend. That's the real truth. But this will be clear by this indicator because it filters the fake signal and gives better entry timing, no confusion, no overthinking, only based on buy and sell signal. So if it is a green color line above the red color line, that is buy signal, that is green color is 50 exponential moving average and red color is 200 exponential moving average, and the blue one is VWAP. So if the price is above the VWAP and cross above the green line, then it is buy side. So there is a clear cut boundary. Here you can see that all the three condition is clear. The price is above VWAP, above 200, above 50 EMA. That's why it is given buy signal. Similarly here the sell signal is given because of all the three conditions satisfied, and the price is below VWAP, below 200 EMA and below 50 EMA. So that's the power of this indicator, and it will give always a clear cut direction. And how to identify the range bound signal? Here you can see that after getting a clear cut buy signal, there is a range bound. Range bound, how to identify? So for example, here you can see that this area, the price is not move away from the VWAP, or maybe the EMA, 2 EMA not spread just like this. So this is the way to identify the sideways market. So in this situation, you can avoid whenever there is a clear cut boundary between these, then you can enter the trade. So that is the power of this indicator. I'll show you that know how this indicator perform over a period of time for getting a profitable trade. Here you can see that the date between January 2 to March 27, 2026. So between the period of around 2-3 months, so there it is a profitable trade. Here you can see that the profitable loss is more than 0.11% in case of Forex market. I'm using that XAUUSD, and we'll see that know how the indicator is outperform with the help of the decent uh, return, and these are all the trade it taken, and the total profit is output is from this trade 2.12 profit factor. So in case of intraday trend, 2.12 profit factor is huge, and that exactly it can given by this indicator. And if you look at the day wise profit and loss last 3 months, it is given like a amazing profit, even though many few places it given negative, but the immediately it given double the amount of what it lost. So that is the power of this strategy. And this strategy, if you want to backtest, you can check. The indicator is freely available in the trading view, and you can see that in some other day, some days all the profits are uh, only positive, and few days it's negative, means the next day it given double the amount. For example, here it is $19, $19 USD loss, means that the next day itself it given 36, 39, 40. So that is the power of this indicator. And if you want to see this indicator performance, and I just upload this video, and you can see that full in YouTube. in my channel. And if you like this video, please type gold in comment and like and subscribe for more highly profitable trading like this, and trade with logic, no emotions. So if you like this video, please comment gold. I will give you a lot of indicator based strategies if you follow my page and subscribe and share with your network. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video.